everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Daisy here, and for today it's different shoe. It's a designer shoes. So I bought this in Spain with the help of my sister and my niece because it was on sale there. And this one is Gucci Spandrel. See guys, I never used this one yet. I didn't use this one. So this is from Gucci store in Khalid Juan Ramon Jimenez Street, Madrid. So let's open it, guys. Oh my. It's so soft, guys. And see the GG. This is Gucci Spandrel. Gucci made in Spain. This is soft, made in Spain, very well made. Oh my goodness. Guys, this is my first designer shoes, I guess. Yes. And the other one, let's see guys, they have each dash bag. This is the one that's included. Natural clay, do not throw away. Okay, I think this is a clay for, I don't know. And this Gucci responsibility. So this is all that included, guys. And let's open it. So they have their each shoe dust bag. Let's put that in the side. And there. Wow, it's pretty. It's very pretty, guys. It's very soft. So in Euro size, I'm 39. In US, I'm 38. So this is the Gucci Spandrel shoes with this logo, with their logo Gucci. So I can't wait to wear it. So let's see guys, and try them all. Here you go guys. I really like this one. This Gucci shoe Spandrel is very soft, comfortable to walk. It's not heavy, and very well made. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you like my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Be safe all guys. God bless. Bye. See you in my next one.